Good morning and welcome to today's assembly. Now, it's a little bit different because I'm standing in my back garden, you're at school, but we're still going to have an assembly and I still have all of your What a Star certificates. So let's start by reading out our What a Star certificates. We have Akram in 3 Sage for skillfully using Google Classroom and submitting all his work online. In 3 Willow, we have Archie for being an amazing role model to the class online. He has completed all of his work to a high standard. Well done. In 3 Willow also is Zane, and this one's a special one from Miss Drew for great daily reading with Miss Drew via Zoom. Well done, Zane. Lovely to hear. And in 3 Emeralds, we have Alfie, and he's got this for being a whiz on Google Classroom. Well done. And I've been working with 3 Emerald, and I have been so amazed at all of our wonderful Year 3s who have coped beautifully whilst having to learn online. So a big congratulations to all of you. I feel like I've got 2 stuck. I do have 2 stuck there. In 4 Sky, we have Hanifa for working really hard on her spellings. In 4 Royal, we have April for settling in really well and always working extremely hard in class. And so welcome to you, April. So lovely to have you join the Cubit Town family. And in 4 Ocean, we have Shakira for using excellent vocabulary in her non-chronological reports. Well done to the Year 4s. Moving on to Year 5, we have Amelia in 5 Buttercup for her positive, enthusiastic and mature approach to all set tasks. In 5 Sunshine, we have Zikra for her great attitude to learning. She has tried her best to focus on her targets and has been able to improve not only in her oracy, but her writing as well. So well done and congratulations to you. They're stuck together, I think. Oh, here we go. Rightio. And in 5 Canary, we have Abdul for asking questions to clarify his learning, responding to feedback, and producing a creative diary entry in English. Well done to the Year 5s. In 6 Cherry, we have Ahil for outstanding improvement in his reading comprehension. That is fantastic to hear. In 6 Ruby, we have Hamza for making his class proud on Times Table Rockstars and showing outstanding confidence in this week's oracy lesson on Anne Frank. And in 6 Scarlet, we have Amy for making some awesome progress. Well done, and congratulations to all our Year 6s. Now, Mr. Jose has chosen 2 children for the Sports Person of the Week, and we have both of them are actually in the same class. So, in 4 Ocean, we have Madison for her amazing gymnastics routine, and Tanisha Kay, also in 4 Ocean, for her amazing gymnastics routine. So well done and congratulations. I will make sure these get to you, but it won't be today. It might have to be the week after. All right, thank you. Okay, so we have our birthdays for this week. So, in 5 Buttercup, we have Shania, and she is going to be turning double digits on the 28th. We have Eunice in 6 Cherry, who's going to be turning 11 on the 28th. We have Ophelia, who's going to be 9 in 4 Royal, and she's going to be 9 on the 29th. We have Zane in 6 Scarlet, who is going to be 11 on the 2nd of December. And we have Wahib, who is going to be 8 in 3 Willow on the 3rd of December. So everyone who's having a birthday, have a great day. It is now time for our sharing assembly, and 6 Ruby have put something amazing together for us. So over to you, 6 Ruby.
Hello. This evening you'll be working with me, Sarah, and Maida from 6 Ruby to find out the interesting news for today. I'll be talking to you about the Holocaust from World War II, victims of the Holocaust. During this time period, unfortunately, the estimated amount of people that have passed away is rounded to 17 million people. In addition to this, these incidents were usually on purpose, and 70% of the Jewish people were killed at the time of 1933 to 1945. Concentration camp. The life in the camp was a miserable place. as the proper amount of food wasn't provided, and clean food or water or clothes wasn't even a thing. Adolf Hitler and the Nazis Party. The atrocious events in Germany happened when Hitler was the president. He was so bad that the citizens started to look for another president. Thanks for watching today's news. Have a good evening.
I am here with 6 p.m. news. Today's headline is Hitler's Nazis Party during World War II. Hitler fought as a soldier in Germany. Hitler had received the German Cross for bravery. Hitler became a strong leader and despised the rise of socialists and communists in Russia. Hitler blamed Jews and communities for the problem. Germany was suffering. Shockingly, Hitler was a vegetarian in 1990. Hitler joined the German Workers' Party in Munich. Find out more tomorrow on 6 p.m. news. Have a nice evening.
And today we are joined by my colleague Abdi. Tonight's headline will be Invasion of Poland and the event that caused the Second World War. Adolf Hitler has had plans to take over many countries, so he could in order to gain leverage, living space for Germany, German people.
Other countries like Britain were wary of what Hitler might do next. On September 1938, in September 1938, Germany, Britain, France, and Italy leaders made a treaty called the Munich Agreement.
However, Hitler was not to be trusted. In August 1939, he broke the terms of the Munich Agreement, Czechoslovakia.
Then on the 1st of September 1939, he sent his troops into Poland. Britain, France, and Poland had made a pact to support each other. And so on the 3rd of September, Britain and France declared war on Germany. That's it for today's late news.
Good evening. My name is Amina.
And my name is Eli, and we will be your hosts.
Today's news is about the Blitz.
During the Blitz, it was dangerous to live in big cities. Children were evacuated to the countryside.
At 4:56 p.m. on September 7th, 1940, the air and siren wailed as the German Air Force launched a massive raid on London.
What was the Blitz?
Night overnight on September 1940, the heavy and frequent bombing attacks on London was known as the Blitz until May 1941.
German bombers attacked British cities, ports and industrial areas. 1/3 of London was destroyed.
London was bombed continuously every day and every night except for one day for 11 weeks.
What does the Blitz mean?
Blitz is shortened form of a German word, Blitzkrieg, also known as lightning ball. Let's have a stop there, everyone. See you tomorrow for more news on World War II.
Breaking news. I'm here reporting your daily story. The top news is about Neville Chamberlain's declaration of war. My name is Anaya and I'm speaking live from BBC News. Yesterday morning at 11 a.m., Neville Chamberlain, British MP, now Prime Minister, had declared war after Germany did not reply to his calling of the withdrawal to the soldier from Poland. Hitler had evidently decided to break the Munich Agreement he had made with the Prime Minister. This raged him because causing the start of World War II. Could this be another masquerade done by the Germans?
Good morning. My name is Usman Saeed, reporting from BBC News. Today's main headline is the importance of the Commonwealth soldier Johnny Smythe and what part he played in during World War II. The Commonwealth is a group of countries reigned by the mother country, Britain. This is to allow them to survive. Johnny Smythe, who had the blood of the Commonwealth coming from the nation of Sierra Leone. Furthermore, he was a pilot for Britain and had completed 26 missions, but on his 27th mission on November the 18th, 1943, he had run out of luck. Smythe was shot down by a German ambassador out of the skies. He parachuted to a barn, hiding behind straws. The German opened fire, causing John to surrender. The German was shocked. They were expecting a pure British person, but found a black Sierra Leone man. Eventually, he was taken to a concentration camp. He was taken to a camp where he was saved by the company known as the Red Cross. Many years later, Johnny Smythe had entered a conversation with the German ambassador. They were talking about their war effort and what they did in their part. This led to Smythe realizing that that man was the one who shot him down. Eventually, they had embraced each other, ending Johnny Smythe's story. Good afternoon, and I hope to see you again.
Thank you so much, Six Ruby, for your fantastic assembly. It's very, very well put together, and you've worked clearly very, very hard. So well done, and congratulations to you and the teaching team in Six Ruby. It is Friday, and that can mean only one thing. Tonight at 3:30 through to 5:30, we will be having our times table rock stars, and it'll be our competition and our battle. So make sure you join your class to earn as many points as you possibly can. Good luck. Well, that is all we've got time for today for our assembly. I am missing you all very, very much, and I hope to see you not next week, but the week after. Okay, so until then, take care and enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.